Have you been having a hard time trying to build your business? According to business research, do you know that over 70% of small and medium enterprises will not make it into their fifth year in emerging economies, either because of their national policies or business strategies? However, some growing businesses have found the secret to how they can turn their small business into a lasting and ever-growing income resource. And fortunately, we have discovered 6 steps that these successful businesses use, and you can do the same. If this is what you need, then don't go anywhere. Number 1. Build your business into a brand. Most small businesses are pushing their activities online because it's more cost-effective and measurable. However, the biggest challenge is centered around 2 major issues. Number 1. Gaining attention. Number 2. Earning trust. While gaining attention can be achieved with hacks and tricks, trust, unfortunately, has to be earned, and the only way for you to gain trust is to demonstrate integrity. And that demonstration of integrity is what will make people stay with you online. And in order for it to be easy to identify you online, you will then create symbols that is catchy enough to remember. Your job is for you to ensure that every time they see your symbols, it must evoke confidence such that they have no hesitation in picking your products or services independent of the price, which is the interpretation of building your business into a brand. Clearly, the first thing to do is not picking out logos and colors and all, but stating relevant promises and keeping them, which is demonstrating integrity. In summary, a brand is a promise. And the strength of your brand is based on how well you keep your promises. So start by building your business into a brand. Number 2. Utilize social media effectively. The truth is, social media has come to stay, and that means learning how to market on it has become very essential. As a small business, social media is the most cost-effective way you can connect with your prospects and convert them to customers. However, this has become extremely difficult for many people because they have misunderstood what its purpose is. Social media is an engagement platform, and the essence is to inform, educate, entertain, and connect with your target. The idea is for them to know you better in order for your trust factor to increase. The more people know you, the more they like you, and the more they like you, the more they trust you. So follow these steps in order to market your business effectively on social media. First and foremost, what is your business objective as it relates to your marketing? Is your objective to reach more people, or to establish your authority, or to drive brand loyalty? Whatever it is, you have to be clear about it. Number 2, who are you targeting, and what is the clear description of your target, and where are they most active online? Number 3, what 2 platforms give you the most reach to your target? Number 4, what format is the best way to communicate to your target? Will it be training videos, short-form videos, text, or descriptive graphics? Find the format that will be very relatable to your target. Number 5, focus on building a tight-knit community. A lot of businesses have lost focus by gathering too many followers and chasing unnecessary likes. Your focus should be to build a community that can effectively drive a high ROI for your brand, whether they are 100 people or 10,000 people. Without a focus, everything done online will become just mere activities that cannot guarantee real results. So do you want tangible results on your efforts online? Build a strong community. So after learning to build your business into a brand, and you have learned to utilize social media, you need to create a marketing idea. A marketing idea is the vehicle that activates your marketing plan to the consumers. It's what brings your plan alive with an irresistible offer. Without a marketing idea, your marketing plan will be passive. Every business must find that marketing idea that can ignite the fire within the consumer such that they can't help but look for your solutions. It is not enough to be online just selling products or services, you need to be selling solutions. A marketing idea turns your products or services to solutions for consumers, and this helps you distinctively stand out immediately. However, remember, a brand is a promise, hence do not activate an offer you do not intend to fulfill. Please take note of this. There can't be a high customer conversion if you have a bad marketing idea. So next thing after creating a marketing idea is to create a PR idea. How people perceive what you do is very important in business, and the goal is to make sure that the image you are trying to portray correlates with the perception of the image in the minds of the consumers. If this is achieved, you can drive customer advocacy easily, and you will ultimately turn your customers to stakeholders. The most effective way to create a good public relations idea is to create an idea that the public can relate and connect with such that they perceive that you are giving back more than you are receiving. If this is done right, your business will attract such great brand affinity that your customers will be willing to go the extra mile for your business to succeed. A PR plan could be you deciding to give a scholarship or clothing items to brilliant kids in the neighborhood. Doing a giveaway periodically is also a way forward, but you must be strategic so that it is not abused. A good public relations idea can definitely drive strong customer loyalty if done right. So buckle your belt and start thinking of what can work in your industry. After properly understanding the need for public relations, you now need to streamline and focus. So many small businesses simply crash because they focus on too many things. You can't be the only one that is trying to be the most cost-effective, yet the most expensive. The one selling durable furniture, and yet the one selling stocks. It's true that some multinationals have an array of products, but don't forget they have a lot. I mean a lot of money, and they always make sure all these products are launched as separate entities and brands such that they have a life of their own. As a small business, you don't have this luxury because you don't have that kind of money. So how then do you do it? Very simple. You can sell anything and everything in order to survive as a small business, but only market one thing. This means that if you can make profit from selling anything, do that by all means, but make sure it is not associated with you. Only and always communicate one thing at a time. This saves you time, energy, and money, and ultimately, you actually move faster because you have clarity. So in summary, focus on picking one position, one solution, and one marketing message at a time. And last, but not the least, have it at the back of your mind that you will spend money. In order to effectively drive marketing, you need money. And if you cannot commit funds to your marketing programs, then you should simply forget about getting good results. The truth is that marketing costs money, and hoping you won't spend good money in order to achieve your marketing objective will be a fantasy. If you are going to build your brand and drive your offer to your customers and also hope to convert them, you will have to be prepared to spend money. However, if you drive it strategically through online platforms, it will definitely not be in the same range as spending on traditional media like television, billboards, and the rest. In summary, if you want results, be ready to spend money on your marketing, and don't think in terms of cheap, but strategic. This means that you are to come up with a strategy, and then back it up with a budget. You may be lucky that the strategy may be timely such that the budget needed to execute it may be reasonable. However, it may also require you spending a lot. Your focus should be ensuring your results. In summary, don't think cheap, think strategic, and you will definitely achieve your marketing goal. And on a final note, this is the recap of the 6 things to do to market your business to profit. Number 1. Build your business into a brand. Number 2. Utilize social media effectively. Number 3. Create a marketing idea. Number 4. Create a public relations idea. Number 5. Focus on one marketing message. Number 6. Have a reasonable budget because marketing costs money. If you need more insights into how to execute these steps, send an email and we'll get back to you promptly. For more insights on how to drive business growth, subscribe to this channel.